naman, Team Bride!
Una kang makita, alam ko, iba ka. Mula ulo hanggang paa, pormahan mo wala na. Pinangarap kong lalaki, sa'yo'y walang nakita. Pero kung kayo makasama, may pag-asa pa pala. Tadhanang dahilan, para tayo nagkakanan. Hindi ko inasahan, ika'y nakikailan. Di kailan ka bagay na ako sa itsura mo. Hindi lang nila alam, pero girl ako sa'yo.
Oh, Team Groom! Team Groom! Paulit daw! Paulit!
High five muna, high five!
Basahin mo na! Basahin!
You are my baby, you are my life. Time so fast, now you are my life. You're always there for me, true good and bad. Although sometimes I really get mad. You're the kind of girl every man wants to have. I really can't believe that you are mine. You're the one thing I don't wanna live without. We go together, there's no doubt.
Okay! Cut! Ano? Kanino yung score? Round 1 yun! Bride or groom? Boto! Boto! Mas gusto daw nila yung English! 1 point groom! Judges, okay! Round 2! Ulit! Round 2! Team groom 1 point!
Kaya pa, kaya pa.
Bagyo ay pinuntahan upang doon ay masaksihan. Pagmamahal ng tunay na pangmamasarangalan. Matamis kong ko, iyong natamo. Sa pangyayari ko, tundo natin ay nagbago. Hindi na di madali, at hindi ay kukubli. Ating pagsasama ay minsan ay kanisali. Ay nasundan, nasagal hanggang tukso. Iwawala ang lahat ay magiging ako.
Groom! Groom! Pakiulit! Grabe! Grabe!
Come on. For the past years we've been through, we did not give up no matter what. We had ups and downs and yet here we are with each other's help. We will go far. You're very good, but we'll stand strong. Cause I know with you is where I belong. Don't worry about the other horse. I know I'm handsome, but I'm only yours. knows you by. I'm not perfect, I'm not the best guy, but